Welcome back to the STE What's Next challenge. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to attach the paper cubes together with paper hinges. So now that you have made 9 cubes, we will be connecting them with the paper hinges. Alright, so to do that, cut 4 strips of paper in this sequence. Just to recap, this is how a hinge will work. It connects 2 paper cubes together as such. Once you have prepared the 4 paper hinges, grab your glue stick and let's begin to assemble the cubes. So what you would like to do is to always start from the middle, then slot the cube in place, give it a few taps and make sure the paper hinge sticks firmly. Then repeat this step on both ends. Here you go, you are done with the first row. Now just repeat these steps for the remaining rows. Now that you're done, check out tutorial 3 and take this to another level with the STE What's Next challenge. Good luck!